We believe the AR lens is a new medium for storytelling. It's similar to the early days of how video was popular. We are at a very interesting time for the AR technology and the AR content. It takes weeks, sometimes months, to just develop one single AR experience. So with the time, the people involved, it's very expensive. And for users to play an AR experience, they don't want it. Once you watch something, you don't want to watch it again and again, unless it's classic, right? So that makes the whole economics doesn't work. Good morning, everyone. So we are Piki, startup from San Francisco, Silicon Valley. So Piki is a platform for AR lens authoring publishing. So what's an AR lens? How many of you use the Mate 2? Mate 2, sure. When you open your camera, you see the little bunny ears right in front of you. Not a lot. It's a lot in the United States, but it's not Mate 2, it's Snapchat. So about 1/3 of the users, Snapchat users, they play with their AR lens every single day. So what does that mean? We believe the AR lens is a new medium for storytelling. It's similar to the early days of how video was popular. We are at a very interesting time for the AR content, for the AR technology and the AR content. So what the problem we are solving here is, first, augmented reality platforms are proliferating. I think it's 2016, I think that's 2015 is around that time. AR, VR has become like the topic that everyone was talking about. And suddenly, it doesn't live up to the standard because actually there's some technology limitation, as we all know. However, last year, Apple released their AR kit, and then Google AR Core after that. And then Facebook, they have the AR Studio, Snapchat has the Lens Studio. So all the tools are out there for creators like you and me to be able to create those amazing AR experiences. However, to develop those experiences, I don't know how many of you are 3D animation designers and developers. It takes weeks, sometimes months, to just develop one single AR experience. So with the time, the people involved, it's very expensive. And for users to play an AR experience, they don't want it. Once you watch something, you don't want to watch it again and again, unless it's classic, right? So that makes the whole economics doesn't work. And what we see is we see the problem at the same time we see the potential, because once we figured out the way how to solve the problem of the content authoring, make it like authoring the AR content, like how we filming a video today, the camera you're holding and your phone that you are holding. I think by then we are the time that AR content is going to be proliferating. So this is one of the examples actually. Since last 2017, we start off by working with Mate 2, on developing some of the AR technology, how to make the AR content, make it easy and cheap. And right now, we're still living the reality that to be able to author this kind of AR content, you still need to develop you have 3D animation designers and programmers develop each AR content on each platform. This is on Mate 2, and if you want to do it on AR Core, you need to have an engineer to write a code for an iPhone app. And for Android, so the AR Core. This makes it very impractical. It's very easy. It's very hard for the creators to create a content and be able to distribute it to all the different other platforms. So what we do here is we invent our own proprietary technology that can transform those AR app developer experience into a file format, like the way how we handle video. So by that, we are able to, the file be able to play and run on multiple platforms. And we are still in the very early days of this AR technology. And to make it work, it's no simple job, but we have the lofty goal. We are here today is, a little background story with, so we start off with working with Mate 2, and then we are the first private beta with Facebook AR Studio when they first launched, they first opened the private beta last March. So after that, we talked to Snapchat, was good friends with them. And also, this 2 weeks ago at WWDC, Apple announced the USDZ file format to support some of the AR content creation. So they are also, basically right now, USDZ is a very simple file format that's invented by Pixar Animation. And they are just like, they build the framework, and we are also talking with them to how to push this technology forward. And the next step, of course, we have the fundamental technology, we're working on it, and also we need a lot of creators, either from China or from here. Especially this may be one of the best places to do this kind of thing. So we invite you, all of you, come talk to us, and then make the future of entertainment, the future of media, AR the future of media. Thank you. Thank you for your time.